Let's now focus on CREO surface techniques, and I will have about 40 axes. We're going to start with the basic to advanced. This one is our first exercise. We're going to model this hurdle, and we have this shaped surface. Um, Let me go back to see how we started. Let me just activate this. We're going to sweep onto this path. You can create any type of a path using any dimensions, but I want to illustrate the techniques we are going to use. Therefore, we are going to redefine the profile. As you can see now, we have a constant profile, and if you go to sweep here, edit, we are using a constant section here. You can see the constant here, and it is a normal to trajectory. Basically, this means that the profile is always normal to the trajectory. This one is our trajectory, but I want us to vary this section. I'm going to select variable section, go to tools, let's go back here, let's go to sketch, go to tools, go to relations. Let's now see how we can vary this relation here. Okay, let me first for cancel so that I can go to sketch and orient normal. I want to vary these dimensions. I'll show you how to vary them. Therefore, you go to tools, relations, and you write these two relations. Let me copy them from somewhere to save some time. Okay, what I did is SD7, SD7, SD4, SD4. We wanna control this dimension using a relation, and the maximum is 4. I want to maximum okay. Basically, let me do this. I want maximum here, maximum to be 4, minimum to be 2.5. This value here of SD7, and we are using a function called Trajpar, inbuilt function in CREO parametric. What it does is it ensures that this value 1.5 starts from 0 to 1.5 basically. Therefore, it will determine Trajpar will give will return this value from 0 to 180. Therefore, we will have a sign function like that. It will give maximum for here, and then therefore we're going to it will give a maximum not for a maximum of 1 here and a minimum of 0, so that at the maximum of 1 here we are getting 2.5. Therefore this becomes 1 times 1.5, we get 2.5. If you do like that, go to model here, sketch, say okay. You see what's happening here? The cross section is reducing up to 0. This is where we get the maximum. We are here now. At this point, we are here. As you progress now becomes same size as initially, because we are going back here, and here. Here is here. Okay, that's how we can control the profile of the profile of a sweep. like that. Then so this extrude, just a line here, extrude, because I want to merge this to this, like that. Yeah, like that. Oops, I want to change here. Yeah, oops, my graphics here, let me hide. Oh yeah, I want this side and I want inner side. Yeah, like that. Then we can, before you solidify, you must merge. Yeah, basically we have merged, sorry. Now you can solidify that. You see, Trajpar is very powerful. Just try to do some research on how to use Trajpar. Thank you. Let's meet in our next video.